In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed these 28 LED lights in my 30 by 60 foot pole barn. It turned out amazing, brightly lights up every area, and was the most cost-effective option. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm starting in the back of the building for the first light. I'm going to leave the switch leg wire that goes down to the switch just hanging in the back corner for now. I have some temp lighting so I can see to get these up, but I'm going to show how and where I run the wires to get power to these lights in my outdoor lighting video. Once I get these installed, I'm going to boom up at the end of the video to open up one of the boxes to show you an up-close view and explain how these get wired and exactly what I'm doing. But for now, I'm just jumping from stud to stud and installing a light on each one. I was originally going to split up the building into perfect thirds by installing them a few feet in, but I decided to bump them out a little bit for better light distribution. And it really lights up the building perfectly. Well, that is, after I got proper LED lights. I originally figured with this many lights, the standard light bulbs I used would have been more than enough, but it wasn't anywhere near bright enough. So I had to swap them out with these super bright LED lights, and it turned out absolutely amazing. It evenly covers every part of the building and provides more than enough light in every area.
So wiring these up is pretty easy. You have two sets of terminals, two silvers for the white neutrals and two golds for the black hots. You're always going to put your hoops or your hooks to the right. That way when you tighten it, it tightens them in rather than pushing them out if you go the other direction. For your ground, you're going to twist up and wire nut in the box, and you're basically just going to repeat the process from box along the studs to box and all the way around the entire pole barn.
And there you have it. Amazing and affordable lighting. I love having this pole barn so well lit. It makes everything better. Make sure to check out my outdoor lighting video to see how I ran the wires for these lights and to check out how great the outdoor lighting turned out.